Hello guys, I'm sharing you an application of the name of application is Premise, and it's a type of application where you can earn money. Just I'm going to open this application. Yeah, you can see that this is my profile, and you have to just sign up on this application, and yeah, I can send my friends the invitation. So can't get I couldn't get any single penny for this sign up. Yeah, this is just a free sign up for the just referring your friends, and you can see in the to-do list where there is a lot of tasks show will be shown on this to-do list. Actually, I have done all the survey tasks, so that's why this is showing blank. And I'm going to show you the completed tasks which have done in the last 1 week. These are the tasks which I have done, and you have to what type of task that they offer, what type of survey they are offering in this application, so you can make money from this application. So these are the some of the tasks are the personal and health, social equality, health education, vaccine, sustainability, rule of law, internet, park and government, pharmacies, hospitals, and these are the all type of the task, and you can see the amount mentioned on this task. It's 32 rupees, 4 rupees, 32 rupees. So the minimum amount is the 4 rupees, and the maximum amount they are paying you is the 34 to 36 rupees for each survey you submit on this platform. So you can check on this market application as well, where there is only showing an one survey. Just I'm going to click on this survey. You have to just start on the by clicking on this start now, and you have to take a picture of any of the food shop or a grocery store, and just answering the question of two or three questions. You have to answer 3 or 4 questions, so that they whenever you answer the question, you have to submit the answer at the end, and after 24 or 48 hours, your task will be completed, showing as an approved. So when your task is approved, your amount will be added to your cash out. This is the cash out. You can see on my screen that the PKR Pakistani 322 rupees of uh, cash out. You can cash out this amount from the cash out by clicking on this, and there is a pop-up of the mobile top-up, and you have to just confirm on this by clicking on the confirmation. So they transfer the amount in your as a mobile pop-up, means you can use as a mobile balance. So they recharge your mobile account with this amount, or you can add the another payment method. The another payment method is the cash based. Pakistan, they are offering the cryptocurrency. The minimum amount to withdraw is 2500, so you have to complete the 2500 rupees in order to make to transfer in the Coinbase Pakistan. So you have to follow these all the things you can consider while making survey, and you can also share with your friends that we all know that we all just wasted time on the Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. So this is a type of earning you can earn just taking just giving 5 to 6 minutes daily on this platform. So this is the only task that I have done in the last 1 week, and how much I have earned in a week is the 322 rupees. I can cash out this amount, but I'm waiting for a week so that I can cash out maximum amount at the time. So that's all about this application. Try the application. You can get more idea about this application, and you can it's a productive application, just not like the other social media application. So it's trustworthy, and they are paying much according to uh, their service as well. Thank you for watching this video.